Do you exercise daily? I do not mean do you get up, walk to the bathroom, or go get you some coffee. I mean, do you do something out of your normal routine of walking to the car to drive to a desk job to sit at all day long? What if I told you that your heart needs exercise, whether you're tall, short, thin, thick? Today I'll be showing you why you should exercise, focusing on the effects exercising can have on the human heart. I am credible to speak on this topic because I have researched in 4 books, read a few internet articles, sat through a biology lecture about the heart, and I have dissected 2 sheep hearts, which are very similar to human hearts. This is something you need to learn about and take to heart because you have a heart, and I know you want it to work a while. Now that you know what I'll be speaking on, let's move on to my first point. How does the heart work? Your heart is a muscle similar to your biceps, quads, or pecs, except your heart has a different function and it works differently. On one side, there's 2 chambers. This is the right side, and it receives deoxygenated blood and sends it to the lungs for oxygen. On the other side, the left 2 chambers receive oxygenated blood from the lungs and send it to the rest of the body to dump off the oxygen so our cells can function properly. Our heart is pretty important and vital to our existence. Don't you want to know how your heart works to the best of its ability? You can always research more about this to see just exactly how the heart works. But I'm sure you want it to work to the best of its ability, even if you don't know how it works. Well, when people want to be able to run, jump, lift, or swim, they work out their muscles that are specific to that activity. In order to make our hearts function and the best and strengthen them, we also have to work it out. The more you work it out, the more your heart pumps and the healthier your heart can get. I've shown you the inside of a heart and what a healthy heart looks like. Now this is a picture of a more common heart. It has a whole lot of fat around it, and it's common to a lot of people. Though fat can cause trouble to the body and can hurt the coronary vessels around the heart. This can make the heart harder to function and harder to pump. Now let's focus on some exercises that the heart has to work. When people want to work out their hearts, it is called cardio. Cardio exercise is pretty much any activity that gets your heart rate up. There are many different cardio exercises. According to Wharton's cardio fitness book, some of these exercises include walking, race walking, running, jumping, rope, dancing, swimming, inline skating, cross-country skating, cycling, and rowing. This book is all about teaching one to find a fitness program that fits them. One of their comments is, all you have to do is find the activity you like best. This is completely right. Just find a fun exercise, which is basically just moving, and get your heart pumping. The question that often gets asked next is how much exercise should be done to get your heart pumping? And how often do you have to do it? Well, according to Jonathan Myers, PhD, who wrote Exercise and Cardiovascular Health, you should exercise 30 minutes a day on most days of the week, if not all of them. That doesn't sound too hard, now does it? Even just walking fast-paced 30 minutes a day will do wonders for your body. Okay, so exercising 30 minutes a day can do wonders for your heart. So what? Why does that matter? I mean, I feel fine, right? That's what we all say. But Myers stated that exercising decreases the chance of heart attack, stroke, and reduces the possibility of needing a coronary revascularization procedure. Those are things that you won't normally feel until it's too late. So we want to try to prevent them. Exercising is how we prevent them. Therefore, you need to exercise in order to prevent these things as often as you can. Exercise can also make some people lose weight, and in return, this helps with lowering blood pressure. When people exercise and they lose weight, it can help their heart. This picture is a picture of an obese heart and of a healthy heart. An obese heart you can see, is much more enlarged than the healthy heart. So, exercising and making your heart healthy not only even looks better, but it'll feel better because it'll be light, it'll be more functional, and help you do things faster. It gives you more energy. There are many other benefits to exercise that don't deal with your heart as well. Like I said, you could lose weight, your muscles can get stronger, and your bones will improve. It's also known that when someone exercises, they gain self-confidence level, and they feel better, and they look better. Who doesn't want that? Well, in conclusion, I've told you some basic anatomy, how the heart works, some exercises that make your heart stronger, and what benefits you gain by exercising. The point of this speech was to open your eyes and get that body moving. I want you to see that your heart needs you to take care of it. Exercise and have fun doing it. Then when you sit down and think, I don't feel like exercising today, just remember, only 30 minutes can change so much. Therefore, go, exercise, get your heart pumping so it can continue to pump for you.